Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to avoid plagiarism when using Chat GPT. This is a subject that will become more and more important in the coming months. Now, I'm going to give you 5 important points that will help you to better understand the situation and deal with it successfully. Hi, your favorite Uncle Matt back with you. And if you get value from my videos, please give them a like, share them with people you care about, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you do. Look, as a language model, Chat GPT is a great tool to help you generate ideas and content, but it's important to use it in a responsible way and make sure you're not using someone else's work without giving them credit. First, we need to define what plagiarism is so that you can avoid it when you're using Chat GPT. So let's all get on the same page and understand what plagiarism actually is. Plagiarism is taking someone else's work and presenting it as your own. Next, I recommend that you use Chat GPT as a tool to generate ideas. And while it can be a great tool to generate ideas, you need to make sure that you're not just copying and pasting the content that it generates. Use the output as a starting point and make sure to add your own thoughts and your own ideas to it. Third, be sure you paraphrase the content that's generated by Chat GPT. When you're using any of the text written by it, make sure to paraphrase and rewrite it. That means changing the words and sentence structure to make it unique and not an exact copy of what Chat GPT generated. Now, in another video, I'm going to provide you with a detailed comparison of some of the best article and essay rewriters out there, so be on the lookout for it. Next, be sure to cite the source. If you use verbatim or word-for-word content from Chat GPT in your work, make sure to give it proper credit. You can do this in the reference or bibliography section at the end of your work by citing your source as Chat GPT. And point number 5 is to use a plagiarism checker. In fact, that's what your teachers and professors will likely be doing too. Before submitting any work that you created using Chat GPT, run it through a plagiarism checking software to make sure you're not using someone else's work without giving them credit. Again, in a different video, I'll be discussing the most current information about plagiarism checking software so you'll know what you're dealing with. The bottom line is that Chat GPT is a great tool to help you generate ideas and content, but it's important to use it in a responsible way. Make sure you understand what plagiarism is, as I discussed earlier. After generating ideas with Chat GPT, go back and paraphrase the content and customize it in order to make it your own. Be certain to give proper credit whenever it's appropriate. And you may even want to use a plagiarism checker before submitting your work. If you have any questions or comments, please post them, as I do my best to read them all and reply to a great many of them. Also, please check out these 2 videos. YouTube has specifically recommended them for you. I'll look forward to seeing you on my other videos soon.